In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set trailing stop in Ctrader. By the end, you'll understand not only where to click, but also what each choice means and how to avoid common pitfalls, so your trade management stays clean and consistent. First, open Ctrader on your desktop, web, or mobile device, and make sure you're in your live or demo account with an active position. A trailing stop only works on an open trade because it needs a current stop loss to follow as the market moves. Next, head to the trade section and open the positions view. This is where all your active trades are listed. If you don't see it right away, look for the trade tab or panel and switch from orders to positions so you're focusing on what's currently running. Find the open trade you want to manage. Take a quick look at its direction and current stop loss level so you have context. Knowing where your stop sits right now will help you choose a sensible trailing distance. Locate the small gear icon next to that position. This is your settings menu for the trade. Click it to reveal management options. From that list, choose trailing stop. You're telling Ctrader you want the platform to automatically adjust your stop loss as price moves in your favor. When prompted, enter the distance in pips. This distance is how far behind current price your stop will trail. A smaller number hugs price tightly and can lock in profits earlier, but it's more likely to be hit by normal volatility. A larger number gives the trade more room to breathe, but will lock in profits more slowly. As a quick guideline, match your trailing distance to typical volatility for that market and time frame. If you're unsure, start modestly and refine as you gain experience. Also note that some symbols use fractional pip pricing. Make sure you're entering true pips, not points. Confirm your settings to enable the trailing stop. After confirming, you should see an indication in the position details that trailing is active. If you change your mind later, you can revisit the same menu to adjust or disable it. From here, Ctrader will move the stop loss automatically as price advances in your favor. It will never move the stop farther away, only closer to protect gains. If price reverses by the full trailing distance, your stop is triggered and the trade closes. On most Ctrader setups, trailing runs server-side, so it continues even if you disconnect. If your broker handles it differently, keep the platform running. That's it. Simple, disciplined, and hands-off once configured.